First, we're gonna chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then, this is the chain 11. And then we're gonna double crochet. We're gonna 9 double crochet. So skip the 2 chains. So you just need to feel the chains. You don't need to see it. You need to feel it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and lastly 9. You need to count the stitches. Count the stitches to 9 only. And then chain 1. We're gonna flip it and then we're gonna do 9 double crochet again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We're gonna do it in round 4. We're gonna do the double crochet in round 4. And then chain 1. Here it is, and then we're finished. Just cut it here. Cut. And we're gonna hide these tails with the darning needle. Go. Here's the darning needle, and then we're gonna put it inside. You just need to put it inside. So here is the finished product. So to make this little tomato, the small tomato, you need to MR, magic circle. Pagtapos, lagyan nyo ng 6 na single crochet sa loob. 1, 2, Tapos niyan, increase. I need to increase. So, 1 increase. Oh, pangalawang increase to ah. 2, pangatlong increase. Pang-apat na increase. Pang-5. Pang-6. At slip stitch sunod. And then chain 1. Sunod. Next, we're gonna single crochet and increase. Round 3, single crochet and increase. Single crochet, increase. Single crochet and then increase. After this, round 4 and 5, we're gonna single crochet all over. Single crochet all over ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stitch and then slip stitch and then chain. And then we're gonna decrease. 1 single crochet and decrease. Round 6. 1 single crochet tas decrease. 1 single crochet and then decrease. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and decrease. One single crochet, decrease. 1 single crochet, decrease. 1 single crochet, decrease. Slip stitch. So we're gonna put this inside. Konti lang. Yan. So after this, we're gonna decrease all over. Decrease. 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 Then decrease. 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 slip stitch. I'm gonna put some, ay naku, Tagalog na nga lang. Yan naman, lagyan niya yan sa loob, unti-unti lang. Ganyan lang. Yan. Yan. Dito sa dito. Yan sa dito. So we're finished. Then this one, five single crochet inside the magic circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, and then single crochet, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 3 ulit, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, and then single crochet. Then slip stitch to the next stitch. Gonna repeat that 5 times. It's a mini star. And then we're gonna chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and slip stitch. 1, 2, 2 and 3 slip stitch here papuntang ilalim. Lusot natin paibabaw. Tie it. Then, the tomato. Kailangan natin ng glue stick. Yung mainit. Pagsama-samahin natin yan. Kung pinagsama-sama natin, gaganyan natin to make it ready. So, glue stick dito. Glue stick. Glue stick here. So here's the tomato. And we're gonna stick it here. And so this is the final product. Bye-bye!